Hey guys, and welcome back to Mel's Beauty Hangout, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Melissa and I started a blog called Mel's Beauty Hangout. I'll leave the link down below. For where you guys can check it out. I started a blog because I absolutely love makeup and I love everything about makeup. I've been wearing makeup and loving makeup since probably, I think, grade school, middle school, yeah. And yeah, so I just wanted to start a blog, and then I also have been watching YouTube videos for the past 4 years, and then finally started making videos. So a lot of my videos are going to be makeup related, beauty related, everything like that. Maybe eventually down the road I'll venture out to lifestyle. But yeah, if you're new and if you're back hanging out with me, thank you guys so much. Today's video is about, I've been wanting to make a video called like fire and smoke, and so this is kind of that idea, that fiery red eye on the top and then smokiness on the bottom. And so I just really enjoyed how this turned out. I really didn't know what I was like the color scheme I was going for and going into it. Then I was just really inspired, and so I just really liked how this turned out. So further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video, and I'll show you guys how I got this fiery, smoky, smoke and fire type look. So first thing we're gonna do is go in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Honestly, this is the best investment and best bang for your buck that you'll ever going to get with an eyeshadow palette. And so if you don't have this, it's totally fine. As long as you have like similar colors, you can definitely achieve it. But also you can use any colors that you want. So let's go ahead, move you guys closer and get started. And also my hair, let's ignore my hair. I'm working out tonight afterwards, so I don't really look, my hair doesn't look all cute and stuff. My headband, shirt, nothing's gonna go with this look until the very end. So let's bring it closer. So the first thing I always do is I conceal my eyes with concealer. It doesn't matter honestly what concealer you use, as long as it's one that you know it's not gonna crease or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing here, prepping my eyes for our eyeshadow, and then I just set it with any loose setting powder. It doesn't really matter what it is. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I just go in with some tape because we are doing a really dramatic look today. I wanted to make sure I have very sharp edges when I do my eyeshadow. We're using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. I'm going in with this shade right here with the little heart, and I am using that in our transition area. And I just keep going in there a bunch of times to get it as deep in as that I want, and I just make sure everything is blended out. And also my lighting may change throughout this video, so just keep that in mind. And then we're going to go in this shade right here with the heart, and we're just going to go over the same color we just did to deepen it up just a little bit. And always make sure to blend out your eyeshadow. That's the most important thing when you're building for a really dark look. And then I have heart here because I'm going in between these two shades, where I mix both of these shades together. I'm going in with a more dense eyeshadow brush, and I really focus on staying on the outside corner of my eye, and then I work up into the crease, but I don't go too high. I don't want to go over the color we just did, and I'm just using my brush in different motions to get a blended edge. Then I go back in with the first color we just did, and I go ahead and blend everything out so that there's no harsh lines. And go back in to the color we were just working with, and I wanted to deepen it up. I want it a lot darker. So the biggest things with darker eyeshadows looks, anything like this, you want to make sure your eyeshadow is extremely well blended, but also you have to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with all the eyeshadows. That's how you get the most blended look and have it look more natural, or more natural, I guess, with all the different colors. So that's what I'm just doing here. And then I'm going in with this red shade here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid with this brush. I wasn't a huge fan of using this brush for it, but it worked. And then I just kind of go in with this shader brush here. Actually, it's like a pencil brush, and I just blend everything out more. And then I go with the star of the show. This is the J Cat, I think, Shimmery Mousse eyeshadow. And this color is just so beautiful. I have it listed down below which exactly it's called. I use my finger, then I use a brush, and you can tell from my right eye to my left eye how much of a difference it actually makes. And I just think that it really brought the eye look all together. And I'm just blending out all my edges. And then play some false lashes. And I start working on my face. I'm going to go in with the Canon Austin primer. This stuff is amazing for your pores. It definitely has a tint to it, so that's why you see my face is a little tinted. And then I go in the Estee Lauder Double Wear. You see me apply foundation. I love this foundation so much. It is truly a gem. And then Tarte Shape Tape for concealer. And also going to be using Maybelline concealer as well for under my eyes. And I just go ahead and blend everything out with my Japanese sponge. And then I took off the foundation on my lips because I know that bothers a lot of people. But then I use the ColourPop Lippy Primer. And then I'm going in with Patrick Star powder, which is a love. I love this powder more than anything. And then I'm just baking my entire face. You'll see here that I use it and I just put it all over my face with the Japanese sponge. And I'm not even kidding you, my complexion looked absolutely amazing when I was done with everything. And I think it's because of this powder. I mean, my face felt amazing. Everything blends really smoothly, and it might seem like a lot of powder, but it's so finely milled that when you do this, it's just, I think it really brings your makeup game to top. And then brows are on real quick. And then I just go ahead and take a dual fiber brush and brush away all that powder. Then going in with the oldie but a goodie, the Too Faced chocolate bronzer. I think it's like the chocolate soleil bronzer. And I'm just bronzing up my face. Then going with the NYX contour palette and with this crown brush that I got in my BoxyCharm box, I'm contouring my face. Going in with one of my favorite blushes, the Catrice Strobing Blush. I don't remember what color it is, but there's only two colors. It's a lighter shade, and I just love it so much. And I'm always going and clean up my contour because I go a little ham. This is the Pure Cosmetics Highlighting Trio, something like that. And I use this brush from ColourPop. Not sure I like it for my highlight because it just didn't look as natural as I wanted, so I really had to go in my Duo Fire brush and blend everything out. And I'm just highlighting my brow bone, and I'll highlight my inner corner as well here. And then I just take this Lottie London eyeliner pencil to line my waterline. This is the best affordable eyeliner ever. And then I go with the black with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to set that eyeliner in place. And then go in with the first color and second color that we use on our eyelids, and we're going to use that to completely smoke out and blend out the bottom lash line. And also, if this is too dark, you don't have to do it with the black eyeliner, but I really liked how it turned out. So, and then I just go with that Catrice or the J Cat eyeshadow, and I put that in the inner corner as well to have everything come together. I go in with some mascara. It's very blurry, but just for more dimension for my lower lashes. And then just fixing my highlight. And then going in with ColourPop Luxe Lipstick in Appy. This color is truly amazing. I feel like it is just the perfect nude, and I loved it so much with this eye look. And then we just go ahead and set our face. I'm using the Morphe setting spray. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love these lippy sticks, or these lipsticks from ColourPop. I definitely recommend them. Pick them up, they're $7 each. And thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate all your support so much. It means the world to me, so thank you, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Take care.